Your curtains and blinds are trapping dust, allergens, and grime. Here's how to clean each type the right way. Window treatments collect dust daily, but most people never clean them. The result? Allergies flare up and your windows look dull no matter how clean it is. For curtains, check the care label first. Most can be machine washed on gentle cycle with cold water. Add white vinegar to remove odors. Hang immediately to prevent wrinkles, or steam while hanging to refresh without washing. For blinds, close them completely, then vacuum with the brush attachment from top to bottom. Next, wipe each slat with a microfiber cloth. Work from top down so dirty water doesn't drip on clean slats. For stubborn grime, use a rag dipped in warm, soapy water. Slide along each slat. For roller shades, spot clean with mild detergent and damp cloth. Never soak them or the fabric stiffens. For fabric shades, vacuum gently with upholstery attachment. For wooden blinds, never use water. It warps the wood. Use a dry microfiber cloth or wood cleaner spray. Pro tip, clean window treatments monthly to prevent heavy buildup. Quick maintenance beats deep cleaning. Window treatments too delicate or time-consuming. Our professionals clean every type safely without damage, making your whole room look brighter. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today. 256-633-6332. www.bearbroscleaning.com